Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts with sugar. First, ensure your freshly fried donuts are still warm. This warmth helps the sugar stick perfectly. Next, prepare your sugar coating. You'll want to use superfine granulated sugar for the best texture. Gently toss the warm donuts in a bag filled with the sugar until they are evenly coated. For a delightful twist, consider adding a small amount of ground cinnamon to your sugar mixture. This simple method creates a classic, delicious sugar donut. Moving on to a popular alternative, let's create a simple powdered sugar glaze. Start by whisking together 2 cups of powdered sugar with about 3 tablespoons of milk or water. Adjust the liquid amount to achieve your desired consistency. It should be thick enough to coat but still pourable. A half teaspoon of vanilla extract will elevate the flavor beautifully. Dip your warm donuts into this glaze, allowing any excess to drip off for a sweet, smooth finish. For a timeless treat, let's perfect the cinnamon sugar coating. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon in a shallow dish. Ensure the cinnamon is evenly distributed throughout the sugar. While your donuts are still warm from frying, gently roll them in this fragrant mixture. The warmth helps the sugar adhere beautifully. Make sure each donut is fully coated, then lightly shake off any excess before serving. This method delivers a wonderfully aromatic and sweet donut. Finally, let's explore some exciting variations for your sugar glazes. To add a zesty kick, grate in the zest of 1 lemon or orange into your powdered sugar glaze. You can also substitute milk with fruit juice, like orange or apple, for a different flavor profile. For a visually appealing treat, add a few drops of food coloring. Don't forget to experiment with various extracts, such as almond or maple, to create unique and delicious donut glazes. Enjoy customizing your sweet creations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.